हेलो देयर एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर हैविंग अ गुड डे। सो राइट नाउ अभी मैं अपने ही क्लब के आईटी क्लब के हैकाथॉन के ऊपर हूँ और अभी इवेंट चल रहा है एंड सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस वगैरह दे दिए हैं, सारा कुछ। तो अभी एज ऑफ नाउ वी हैव 5 ग्रुप्स, तो सारे कोड कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर बिल्डिंग समथिंग। एंड टाइमर दिखाऊँ तो अभी 2 घंटे 10 मिनट पड़े हैं एंड वी कैन सी द ग्रुप्स। Mandar's group, what's your group's name? Minions? Nice, nice name. Are you building a minion app? That's cool. Cool. Hello guys, how are you all? What's your group name? What's your group name?
Yeah, our group name is Hello World.
Hello World. That's good. Just write printf Hello World. That's it. Hello guys.
Hello.
What's your group name?
The fixtures, the group number is 4.
Group number 4. That's cool. All the best, guys.
Thank you.
Hello guys. Where's your team? Where's your team at?
See, is my team name.
Where's the other 2 teammates?
Is not coming.
Not coming? Who?
Swapnil.
Swapnil not coming? Not coming.
No.
Okay.
He just messaged me. I'm not coming.
Okay, no worries. We'll reduce the grading for you guys.
Why?
Obviously, because you are 2 people. Okay, then do it. Your choice. 41 minutes. It says 2 hours 9 minutes.
This is for us.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's for our.
I like this idea, man. Like this idea.
Not from Sarthak.
No. Hello, guys. How are you? What's your group name?
Binary bandits.
Binary Bandits?
Bandits.
Bandits. What does it even mean? Binary, I know.
Yeah.
Bandits?
Suggested by
Jasleen? You are in cloud, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So, how do you guys like this event? This is good.
Yeah, this is actually good, and yeah, my first time in a hackathon, and yeah, first time in a no, I didn't went to ConHacks. It was just like I never participated. I just reviewed like what's happening.
See, I'm wasting your time.
Yeah, very bad.
All the best, guys.
Thank you.
Push it again. So I have to
Okay. Push what? Abroad, yes, right?
push everything in.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
So, you're building a Mern application or what? Okay. GitHub as well. That's good.
Yeah.
Are you creating branches or issues or how?
Yeah,
Branches for everyone.
Interesting. That's cool. You'll get bonus points. Depends. Naming convention, be mindful. 0 grading. Joking.
Yeah.
We'll cut some points.
And it is audio. And I also would be nice if we have an option to English font.
AOTA standards will be good.
Yeah.
Accessibility.
I have it.
Yeah.
So we are going with this thing, right?
Mhm.
We're thinking of showing 10.
Why 10?
Because we did a research. If a person wants to learn a language, the ideal thing would be for that person to learn 8 to 15.
But if you don't follow the instructions exactly, this will cut your points.
Okay,
So if
that
it says according to research,
Uh-huh.
that is something else. But just follow this instruction. 20 flashcards.
20.
Yeah, just add. It's like you just create one. The UI will be same. The div will be same.
Okay.
Just change the wording, right? Or I don't know if you're doing it dynamically from
Yeah,
database.
planning to do it.
Okay, sounds good. So Munstack application, Munstack
No, not Merge.
mobile application.
No, Merge application. But I think we are just using React, but we probably won't have a database.
Okay,
Decided it.
good job. So what stack are you guys building the application on?
We have chosen about the Habit Tracker web application. I'm actually working on the documentation. We are just keeping track what frameworks we'll be using, and I'll be proceeding with the diagrams. And this is my team working on the application.
Okay, sounds good. Be mindful of the time because once the time is up, you'll have less points.
Yes, sir.
And you guys came late, right?
No,
Joking.
We were
Joking, bro.
maybe your teammate.
Yeah. So what are you guys building?
Just working on
Flashcard?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about you? How's the chat GPT?
Yes,
Working well?
Ongoing.
Did you buy the pro version for the event?
Not yet.
You should have
Because
bought
we-
it. Keep coding, guys. What are you guys building and what stack?
Okay, so we are building habit tracker
Mm-hmm.
and we have named it as We Track You Relax.
We track your legs.
You
We
relax.
track, you
You relax.
Oh, okay. So we track your legs. I was like, what?
We track you relax.
We track you relax.
Yeah.
Just put underscore. Merge stack.
Yes.
GitHub also.
GitHub too.
Deploying it. You can use Vercel as well to deploy it. Your choice. Giving hints. तो यार हैकेथॉन चल रहा है स्टूडेंट्स का एंड बेसिकली हुआ क्या कि सुबह मेरी CSI की ट्रेनिंग थी तो मैं यहाँ पे 8:30 आ गया था। अभिषेक और मैं अपनी कार में आ गए थे और मयंक, शकीला और संतोषी दीदी ने कार रेंट करके आना था तो उनका ना कार का एक्सीडेंट हो गया। ठीक है, उसकी वजह से वो लोग लेट हो गए तो वो अभी तक पहुँचे नहीं, रास्ते के अंदर है। और फिर अभिषेक और मैं ही हैं यहाँ पे तो मैंने फटाफट क्लब को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, सारा कुछ कर दिया एंड क्लब की इंट्रोडक्शन देने के बाद मैंने सबको एजेंडा वगैरह समझा दिया, प्रॉपर इंस्ट्रक्शंस वगैरह उनको सारी दे दी और अब टाइमर चल रहा है 1 hour 53 minutes पड़े हैं। ग्रुप्स कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं, आपस में कोड वगैरह कर रहे हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट कर रहे हैं, उस प्रोसेस को गिटहब के ऊपर डाल रहे हैं तो काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग रहने वाला है। अब देखते हैं क्या बनाते हैं लोग और पूरा मैं इस ब्लॉग के थ्रू डॉक्यूमेंट कर रहा हूँ सारा प्रोसेस। इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग, काफ़ी मज़ा आने वाला है। क्लोज टू 5 ग्रुप्स, हमारे पास 7 ग्रुप होने थे बट 2 ग्रुप्स आए नहीं क्योंकि ब्रैंडफर्ड रह गए एंड कोई बात नहीं, टाइम मतलब कभी कभार लक साथ नहीं देता बट लकीली थैंक गॉड कि मैं और अभिषेक यहीं पर थे, नहीं तो हमारा इवेंट सारा ख़राब हो जाता क्योंकि फिर हमें एक बंदे को आना पड़ता है यहाँ जैसे भी होता। बट हो पा रहा है मैनेज, अब देखते हैं जैसे भी होता है। एंड या मयंक एंड एवरीवन इज सेफ, आई एम ग्रेटफुल। तो अब इस वीडियो के अंदर ना यहाँ पे अगर आपको बताऊँ इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल्स, तो एक जो टिम हॉर्टन्स है वहाँ पे SEO डिज़ाइन स्पेशलिस्ट है फ्रॉम पास्ट 27 years। फिर एक चीफ टेक्नोलॉजिकल ऑफिसर हैं जिनको 25+ years का एक्सपीरियंस है इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग। फिर एक मेरे खुद के प्रोफेसर हैं जो पायलट भी हैं एंड मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर हैं बहुत टाइम से, तो काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है उनको। एंड देन एक क्लाउड आर्किटेक्ट है तो वो क्लाउड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के अंदर उनको काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है, उनकी खुद की भी कंपनी है। तो हमने 4 पैनलिस्ट बुलाए हैं अपने इवेंट के ऊपर जस्ट सो वो स्टूडेंट्स को जज कर पाएँ एंड उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स को देख के ग्रेड कर पाएँ। हमने प्रॉपर रूब्रिक्स वगैरह बनाया तो देखते हैं क्या सीन है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं, तो काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। एंड अभी मैंने देखा एक जज सबके लिए टिम्बिट्स लेके आए हैं तो काफ़ी नाइस है यार, तो आपको दिखाते हैं अभी। सो द फूड इज
Hi.
Just a small announcement. You have a very little time left, 24 minutes, and you have to submit your code or whatever, maybe GitHub pages, the URL within time itself. How do we start it? I'm gonna share the details now. Almost done? Okay. I'll share a drive link. You can maybe add a document with your GitHub URL link or whatever. If you are submitting a zip file, that too you can do. Is anyone building mobile application? No? Everyone is doing it web application, right? Okay. So yeah, I'll share the Google Drive link. You can submit your file there. Documentation, if you created any video for presentation, anything, whatsoever you want. Okay, thanks.
उसमें ब्रैकेट में लिख दो फ्यूचर
Non-model taking too much time. Upload कर दो.
So it's fine. If you put it on upload, it's fine. If it's uploading, it takes time.
Yeah.
Just go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close it. Happy birthday. Okay. So congratulations, guys. You have passed the time, and now it's time to take your code by our judges, and then you will get 7 to 8 minutes to present. You will come here quickly, present your code, and then in 3 to 4 minutes they will ask you any questions they have, and then you would have to answer. So I would name the groups. You can come here, set up your laptop. Everyone has HDMI port in their laptop. Okay. So let them present.
अरे यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा यार?
But I sent you the folder with the
यार.
Okay. So first group is minions.
Is uploading.
Uploading.
Yeah.
We just need
So I'll just see.
So it is already a good practice to like.
Yeah. So if you're running this on your laptop, your phone won't connect and won't see the same data.
Okay. Because we are storing the data in local.
Yeah,
so
it's
all good.
Okay.
We try to identify the MVP based on that. We sat for around 5-10 minutes and generated the ideas and identified the MVP. And initially, what we decided was we will start with we did a sort of a research that if you want to learn a new language, you have
tried to implement it in a very analytical way. And this is a Luffy prototype if you want to see. Yeah, this is the architecture and the design we have implemented in our project. Just like we have used. It will complete the task. Like you have added 4 habits and you have completed this much.
So you guys can take a break, use the washroom you have to, and within like what time is it? So within 25 minutes we'll announce the winner and we'll let you know. 15? Okay, 15 minutes. So yeah, you have to leave to use the washroom. And once you leave, please take up all the things you ate, just the packets and everything. I did the winners, and there is only one winner, which will be getting the gift card. So we have $100 in gift card, split it into $25 each. Amazon gift card. Other than that, you already ate a lot of food. And final thing, sorry, it was delicious. Oh, that's good. So time to announce the winner, and the winner is wait. Let's create some suspense. No. Okay, so the winner is the Fixers. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Definitely love code. That show.
Yeah, on top of what? So, guys, I would like to ask you both, how did you like the event and how was it? Any improvements, any suggestions, any feedbacks?
Yeah, so overall, the event was good, not being from the coding background. So I really enjoyed it and learned something new from the two coders. And yeah, I would love to attend more events like this. Maybe I would love if someone would like organize an event related to network infrastructure or cloud. So I guess I would do better in that rather than in coding. But yeah, I loved it, and the organizers are cool. And yeah, thank you.
Okay, so for me, I love the event. I love the event, and um, being from a non-technical background, I am not a coder, by the way. I came to Canada and learned coding, so this was a very good event. I learned so much, and the most important skill to have is time management, I guess, because rest everything is like really easy to learn, and these are the events that will help me build up my portfolio, like technical skills, and also the things that I want to learn more. Thank you.
Okay, so I would love to have your feedback on the event. How did you guys like enjoyed the event?
I really enjoyed this event because this is something out of my comfort zone. I don't have a coding background. I have a cybersecurity background. So learning something new here today, and I'll take this journey a long way because like I've been surrounded by a lot of motivational people. So I'm really thankful to the IT Club for organizing such a wonderful hackathon for Conestoga Club. Thank you.
Yeah, just following up on what you said, like it was really a wonderful event. I haven't gone to any hackathon before, but it was really helpful. I mean, the judges were like 20 plus years of experience, right? And getting the feedback from them was really a good thing for us.
Yeah, for me, this is also my first hackathon event. Even though I have some development experience, I've never been to one. And having that time constraint and making something within that 2.5 hours was really exhilarating. It was challenging, and I did learn a lot of new things. The project that we worked on had some element of AI in it, and communicating with the Gemini model. So that was something new I learned, and I also learned how to deploy a project in an instant. So the entire event was really beautiful. It was challenging and it was really good. That's all.
So guys, the event is over and काफी मजा आया. हैकाथन काफी अच्छा रहा. आप लोगों ने फीडबैक तो सुन ही लिया. तो बस यही था इस वीडियो के अंदर. आई होप आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग. हैव अ गुड डे. जल्दी मिलते हैं आने वाली अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर.